How to download Steam on laptop and PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to download Steam on your laptop or PC, launch open any web browser, then search for Steam. Now click on this very first option, which is Welcome to Steam. It will take you to the official website of Steam. Click on Install Steam at the top. Now on this page you want to click on Install Steam again. This will start the downloading of this application. Now once the downloading has been completed, you simply want to open the folder. Now double click on it. Here you want to follow the instructions in order to install Steam. Then click on this finish option. After that is done, Steam will now start to update. Once the updating has been completed, Steam app will be automatically launched in your laptop or PC, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.